Former Davis County teacher could be spending the next 30 years in prison.
This morning, a judge sentenced Valynne Bowers for having sex with a 14-year-old student. Shara Park was in the courtroom and spoke to Bowers' attorney about the sentencing. Shara?
Well, Scott, Tanya, the attorney for Valynne Bowers, says that he was surprised by the sentence given down by the judge. She was given 1 to 15 years for each of the felony counts of forcible sexual abuse with this 14-year-old student she was involved with, and that sentence will run concurrent, which means that she could remain in prison for up to 30 years. Now, Bowers walked into the courtroom this morning with family and friends by her side. She then quietly told them thank you for their support before walking up to face the judge. Bowers' attorney then stood by her side asking the judge to consider probation when sentencing her. He said that she had completed a sex offender treatment over the past 2 years and made reference to the adult probation and parole sentencing report, which indicated that she was not a threat to society. However, the judge told Bowers that what stood out to him in his mind was the fact that the sexual relationship with the 14-year-old continued for over 2 months, even after she was warned by another teacher to stop the relationship. Bowers made a statement in court saying that she was sorry to her victim, to her family, specifically her 2 children who were victimized by this. She told the judge that she was remorseful, but the judge handed down the sentence for that 1 to 15 years for each sentence, which seemed to be fitting, as he said to her in court.
I'm a little shocked, especially, I knew prison was a possibility and maybe even a probability, but consecutive, there's nothing in this case that warrants consecutive sentences, so that surprised me.
This was a matter of a teacher engaging in sexual activity with a student, and I don't think society can put up with that.
Now, the judge told Bowers that had the sexual relationship with the student happened only once, then maybe her sentence would have been different in this case. But because it went over a 2-month period of time, he felt that the sentence was appropriate. The judge told her that there were no winners in this case. Back to you.
Thank you very much, Shara. Well,